Hey guys, how's it going? I got a package in the mail from Disney Movie Rewards. I know what it is. I'm excited to get this. I think it was a great new addition, a recent addition to the Blu-rays available through Disney Movie Rewards. It's a really expensive one in stores, so I'm really surprised that they put this one on Disney Movie Rewards. But it's here, and I'll go ahead and open it up. Alright. Wow, this is really thick. And I feel something interesting on the... Actually, okay. So this is what I got. John Carter 3D with the lenticular slipcover. It looks amazing. This is a beautiful slipcover. It has like a crimson red on the border. And I actually forgot that this was a lenticular slip because it's 3D. But it is. I've never seen this movie before, but as I said, this was a recent addition a few weeks ago on Disney Movie Rewards. And they hardly have any 3D movies. I think they only have this one, and before this they had Tron Legacy. But this is like $35 in stores. So this is an amazing deal. This is basically just I think a few more hundred points than Dinosaur was, which was like it's like a $15-20 Blu-ray. And this is $35. It's amazing. There's a sticker on the slip there. It says a warrior on Earth becomes a hero on Mars. 4-disc combo pack. Blu-ray 3D. It says plays in Blu-ray 3D players. Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. Yeah, I'm just amazed with how awesome this looks, and the slipcover seems to be in perfect condition. Really happy with that. And you see how thick it is. It's the 3D pack. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this 4-disc combo pack. Disc 1, Blu-ray 3D feature film. Disc 2, Blu-ray feature film and bonus. Disney second screen, explore John Carter's journal with his innovative in-world experience and uncover a trove of fascinating details that extend the mythology of the movie. 360 degrees of John Carter. Experience every aspect of the filmmaking process on one of the movie's biggest production days. Deleted scenes with optional commentary by director Andrew Stanton. Barsoom bloopers, plus all DVD bonus features. Disc 3 DVD feature film and bonus, 100 Years in the Making, follow the journey of Edgar Rice Burroughs' story from its origins as a pulp novel to its arrival on screen. Audio commentary with filmmakers. And Disc 4 is the digital copy. Yeah, like I said, I've never seen this. Let me know what you guys think of this if you've seen it. I know I've heard from a few people that this was a pretty good movie, and that I know JW Universe, he liked this movie, and he thinks it should have been marketed more heavily than it was, that this did really poorly in the box office, I guess, and it wasn't marketed enough, but he thinks it's a pretty good movie. Region free, Region 1 DVD. Runtime is 132 minutes. It's rated PG-13. Wow. There's a spine. Here's the Blu-ray case, thick spine. The other recent additions on Disney Movie Rewards, along with this, were Bolt. Not the 3D version, but that's still a really good reward because that's $30, I believe, at Best Buy and other retail stores. And the Secretariat, which is a pretty cheap $20 Blu-ray, but I don't have either of those movies, so I'm looking to get both of those through Disney Movie Rewards. And with the points I get in here from this movie, I think I'll have enough to get another movie, so it's pretty cool. I've been really happy with, what the hell is this? There's some dirt on here, some dirt on his mouth, stuck to the case. Looks like it's coming off easily. What is that? Just like some gunk. As you can see, there's some, I don't know what that is. Oh, well. If you guys didn't know, you can get points from your Iron Man tickets. Go to Disney Movie Rewards. Join if you're not a member already, but there's instructions there to submit your movie tickets. You have to like write down a code on it and then take a picture. But you can get, I think, up to 200 points. I don't know if per ticket, but that's what it said. I sent mine in, and I'm waiting to, it takes a few weeks, they said, but that's a really cool deal to get some extra points if you, any of you guys still have your Iron Man tickets lying around. There's my reward points. It's kind of crumpled there in the corner. I don't really mind that. This is the digital copy. It has a gold color to it, kind of. Yellowish gold. Here's the 3D Blu-ray with some okay disc art. Here's a standard Blu-ray with no disc art. And here's the DVD. So this is an awesome set. I'm really happy with this. It comes in a big thick case. Everything's in perfect condition except for that little dirt that was on there. I think I got it all off. And an amazing slip cover that I'm very happy with. So there's another look at the slip cover. Lenticular 3D slip cover. And I wish they would do this with more of the Disney 3D releases instead of that generic silver border that's on a lot of them. I wish they'd put some color on there, like this beautiful red, crimson red border. I really like that a lot. But yeah, I think this is an amazing deal to basically get it for free through Disney Movie Rewards. Like I said, I'll be looking to get Bolt and the Secretariat, which are also on there. And I think I have enough points for one of those two. So that'll be coming next week or the following week. Keep an eye out for that. I want to go to Best Buy one more time this weekend, see if I can get a few more things. Pineapple Express for $5. There's a few triple features I'm looking to get. So yeah, keep an eye out for more videos coming. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.